Ever wonder how your email stays safe from phishing scams? It's not just luck, it's cutting-edge AI working behind the scenes. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study that's redefining how we train AI to spot fake emails. Let's break down the challenges, the clever solutions, and what this means for your digital security. First, let's unpack the problem. Phishing attacks are evolving. Think spear phishing, where scammers craft personalized lies to target specific individuals, or lateral attacks that exploit trust within organizations to spread malware. But here's the catch. Traditional AI models often miss these subtle tricks. The research shows that training AI exclusively on phishing data, rather than generic text, can dramatically improve detection. It's like teaching a detective to recognize the exact fingerprints of a criminal. Specialized training makes all the difference. But there's a big hurdle. Large AI models are like energy-intensive machines. They consume massive computational resources. That's a problem for real-time protection on devices like smartphones or cloud servers. So scientists are quantizing these models, which is like shrinking them into lightweight versions that still perform well. It's a balancing act. Smaller models save energy but risk losing precision. The study found that even a 14 billion parameter model, yes, 14B, could outperform larger ones in some cases, proving that size isn't everything. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The datasets we use to train these systems are often outdated, like relying on 1990s maps in a world where cities change weekly. The research argues for fresh, dynamic datasets that include AI-generated phishing examples and adversarial samples, emails designed to confuse the AI. It's like updating your GPS with real-time road closures so you don't get lost. And here's a clever twist, combining AI with old-school methods. Imagine a superhero team-up. AI's adaptability meets the precision of rule-based systems. The study found that hybrid models, which blend AI with traditional machine learning, are better at handling evolving threats. It's like having both a detective and a fingerprint scanner in the same room. But wait, what about the bad guys trying to fool the AI? The research highlights a critical gap. Most phishing detection models aren't tested against adversarial attacks. Think of it as a security system that works great in a lab, but fails when someone hacks it with a custom tool. The study calls for more robust testing, like red teaming, simulating attacks by cybersecurity experts, and watermarking to catch AI-generated phishing attempts. This isn't just about better spam filters. It's about reshaping how we defend against an ever-changing threat landscape. By refining training data, optimizing models, and blending old and new techniques, researchers are building a future where AI doesn't just react to threats but anticipates them. The next time you spot a suspicious email, remember, you're benefiting from a battle fought in code, not just clicks. Stay curious, stay secure, and keep learning.